was a talk show, and my mom told me about it, and she says, this lady just put her kids through college recycling. And so it got me thinking. This was before I was in school or anything like that, and I was like, I need to save money, and this is good to, like, help out, like, the world and all this stuff. So it's kind of like twofold. And so I just started recycling and taking everyone's recycling in my family because they didn't. I remember taking this whole bag of stuff and I was like, I'm recycling now. I was really excited. These places are filthy, by the way, where you go and take the recycling. And the guy's like separating it and he's just throwing out all of my recycling. I was like, that's good. Why doesn't that work? They'll still recycle it, but they won't give you any money for certain things. These 2 bags here are going to be about $8, $9, maybe. So you get a little more for aluminum cans if you don't drink a lot of sodas. I think this is about $300, but it's our Hawaii fund. We, like to travel and stuff like that, but I keep hearing, oh, it's so expensive, Hawaii's so expensive, so we're like, that'll be our recycling fund. And we're really good. We've never touched our recycling money. I do not garbage surf yet, but sometimes I'm really tempted because I do recycle, and you just see like all these bottles or all these cans that are definitely going to a dump or something. Maybe one of my recycling colleagues may be able to get them out before that happens.